We show you the removal of the bumper in a Sprinter with the optional extra wide step at the rear. This step is removed together with the bumper. This means a little extra work. Raise the vehicle to a comfortable working height and start with the removal of the protective strip at the side of the vehicle. First, undo the screw on the inside of the wheel well. Then loosen the strip of the fastening clips. When you do this by hand, you have more feeling for how much strength is necessary so as not to break the clips. You can also use a long wedge, but be careful not to scratch the paint. Now remove the light bulb with fixture from the side light. Make sure that the fastening clips are not damaged. Now remove the protective strip on the left side. Then remove the upper top corner of the bumper. With the assembly wedge, lever out the clip, afterwards the two clips of the bumper corner. The upper top corner on the left side is also removed in the same way. Next, loosen the step with the basic carrier. Because with the wide step we're dealing with an optional extra, there are a few more things to look out for than with standard equipment. Here are several clips to be unclipped, 4 on the top step, and 1 in front of the ball hitch of the tow bar. Then remove 2 screws on the left and right of the ball hitch. The bumper is fixed to the bodywork with several screws. Unscrew all 7 screws and you can remove the bumper with the step. Please tighten the screws with 9 Nm for the installation. Raise the Sprinter again and you can comfortably work under the vehicle for the next steps. Unscrew and disconnect the plug of the Parktronic system. Cut the cable tie and pull the cable with plug back over the tow bar. Lower the vehicle again to a height comfortable for you. Now you can remove the bumper with the step from the basic carrier. It's possible to disassemble the bumper in parts and renew when required. Both bumper corners can be taken off. To do this, press the hook upwards and move the bumper corner aside. You can also easily substitute a broken reflector. The reflector can be taken out with a few steps. Unlock the hold clips of the Parktronic sensors and take out the sensors. Check the silicone ring for any dirt particles. Also separate the 4 plugs of the Parktronic sensors and remove. And the cable harness of the Parktronic system. To sum up, the bumper can be disassembled in the following parts: 2 bumper upper top corners, the bumper middle section, the 2 bumper corners, the reflectors, 4 Parktronic sensors, and the cable harness of the Parktronic. And lastly, a tip. The Sprinter is the only truck to have such a bumper.